is right down here. Look. Look, there's another one. And up here.
What?
Oh, look at them. Oh, look, it just went in the nest. It just went in the nest up there.
Oh, had a little itch.
That one's in, keeps popping in
The nests are up here.
See the bird's nest? Now I remember my eyeballs. Now don't touch my eyeballs.
Oh, look over here.
Okay. Keep going slowly.
Find them. I'm in trouble locating them. There he is. Look at this one.
Look.
Yeah, he's up there.
Look up here.
I think I know he's getting that one there.
I'm just moving out of the way, that's all.
Look at it. Alex, right here.
Bunch of them over there.
There's Mom, behind that crooked log is a zebra. You gotta kind of go higher. Look.
There he is. Look That's King Kong right there.
The big ones up on the
Yeah, I see them. They're all pretty big.
They're all pretty big.
You are in the jungle. which is starting to roost for the evening. That is where we're going for dinner tonight. This is where we're going tonight. Rainforest Cafe. Looks like a fun themed place to go for dinner. If we don't get wet by the elephant, spraying water out of its trunk.
Oh my God, I can feel the earth.
Oh yeah. May have to get you one of these fleeces to wear in here.
Where are we going?
Just keep going to the back.
Oh my God, look up.
Oh my.
The
Look at this
Rainforest
snake.
Cafe would like to welcome Jamie Whitfield, Safari of 6. Please reapproach the elephant. Your wild adventure is about to begin. That is Jamie Whitfield, Safari of 6.
I don't know where I'm going.
Just keep going up to the front.
That one looks like a bird.
There it is.
Love it.
Come here. Oh, golly. Keep it through here.
Go around the other way. Right up front here. They have really got this place themed out. Check in.
We're actually going really hard.
Okay. Great.
You got a good spot though, right next to the
Yep.
elephant.
There we go. This is really, we're right next to that.
Awesome. Where are you visiting from? On the other side of the state. Oh, so you're not too far from home.
No.
Awesome. Well, your safari guide will be right
Well, we got here and we're in the Rainforest Cafe. They brought our Pellegrino and I ordered a Panama Punch. Got rum in there and
Cassis,
Yes.
banana liqueur.
Oil is absolutely, I've had a sip of it and it is absolutely delicious. I want another one. Well, I got the Fiji combo, Japanese rice, Andalusia sausage, pork ribs. Tracy got the
Anaconda pasta with shrimp.
anaconda pasta with shrimp. It looks very delicious. We're so hungry. We're ready to eat. Key lime pie looks interesting.
Pretty much up, sir. You enjoy?
Thank you. And Tracy got the cheesecake. That's an espresso, but I've never seen an espresso like that before. That's very interesting. Goodness gracious. But anyway, the key lime pie and cheesecake looks great. I'm getting too much glare from these lights. Yeah. Avatar at night.
Pandora at night.
Yeah, Pandora. What is it, Land of Avatar or something like
No,
that?
it's Pandora.
Pandora?
Look down there. Really something else.
Yeah, it is.
Arching through. Look.
This really is something else to see at night.
Here to the left. Now look at the rocks up there.
Oh yeah.
Down on the bridge.
Yeah, we can go on the bridge.
Come down here, you'll be able to see everything.
Oh yeah. Let's go down the bridge.
That side is... Steps. It's a bus. It's like soaring, I think. It's like a 3D type ride. It's like soaring.
That's a different one.
This is a different one.
Which one is that one? the two of us in there.
Yeah. Kind of hard to see. We're in Avatar, I guess that's what it's called.
Pandora.
Pandora. It's kind of creepy.
I think it's cool.
It is really nice
I love
though.
the lights.
And the lights are beautiful, the sounds, everything is really, it's just like being in another world.
They're bioluminescent.
Yeah, bioluminescence is really, as much as we're going to try to video for you, I don't know how clear it's going to come out, but we'll do the best we can, but so far we're really enjoying this.
Look at these.
Oh yeah, this is... Really something, isn't it? That's really something. Well, I hope you enjoyed that because we certainly did. So what do you think about this place?
It's really cool looking at night. I like the way the vegetation glows. We haven't seen the movie, so I'm assuming this is what the planet looks like that is in that movie. It's really cool. Wish I would dress warmer. It's a little chilly out here.
Yeah, we're a little cold. The restaurant was really chilly and actually was freezing. We were right underneath the vent. It was blowing on us the whole time during dinner. I had to put my vest on. She's got her sweater on. It's a little chilly right now. It's getting into the mid-60s, but in Florida, that's cold, especially walking around here at night. But this place is really spectacular. It's really beautiful at nighttime. Unbelievable. We've never seen the movie, so we don't know much about it, but so far this attraction, we're pretty impressed.
The theming is wonderful.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, there's not much to do back here. If you don't have a fast pass for one of the rides, there's only 2. And the wait times are astronomical, upwards of 2 hours or longer.
Yeah, we videoed the Navi River journey earlier this afternoon. The wait time right now, and it's only 1 hour till the park closes, it's 110 minutes. So
yeah, people
you don't
are
have a
waiting
fast
a long
pass,
time.
You don't need to be back here because standby lines are just way too long. But until tomorrow,
it's worth looking at though in the dark. It's really beautiful.
Yep. So well, that's it for now, and we'll talk with you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. This is a Christmas tree outside Animal Kingdom. This is actually one of Tracy's prettiest trees. Well, she loves this tree the best out of all the trees of the 4 parks. She likes this one the best. Unfortunately, you can't see all the animal ornaments at night. But,
maybe we'll try closer.
yeah, we'll try to get closer and see if we can see any of them so we can show them to you. We'll try to get some of the ornaments around the tree for you. Unfortunately, there's 3 sides of this tree is being taken up by PhotoPass, which means they're blocking parts of the tree off, and we can't get in their way as they're taking photos for the visitors.
I'll get Tigger down at the bottom.
I got Tigger, yeah, and I got Piglet.
And there's Panga.
There.
That's a close-up one.